Developers often think Docker is just another tool. Watch a few tutorials, understand containers, and you're done. But the reality? That's Docker giving you a handshake before it slaps you in the face. Reason? 80% developers have spent their entire careers inside local tools, safe, easy, but fake. Windows, frameworks, XAMPP, WAMP. These tools hide the real, low-level stuff you need to grow up. So when you finally meet Docker, it's not just another tool, it's a whole new planet. And suddenly you're facing a ton of new concepts all at once. The learning curve becomes steep and slippery. You try to remember one thing and then forget something else you learned just 5 minutes ago. This is when the trap happens. Most developers end up stuck in theory overload. You watch more videos. The more theory you consume, the more you feel stuck. Then the desperation sets in. You start thinking Docker is tough and only the talented ones can overcome it. But here's the twist. You must first learn how websites were deployed before Docker even existed. Play around with Linux, dive into Nginx and its config files, understand ports. When you start practicing Docker, don't jump into a full-blown web app. Begin with something tiny, like serving a simple HTML file. Once you're comfortable, add a database, then bring in back-end logic. This layer-by-layer approach makes Docker way easier to understand and remember. It prevents theory overload because every concept naturally locks into place as you practice. That way, you don't waste energy trying to memorize. The learning just sticks and your understanding goes much deeper. Once you get that, Docker will click. Hit the like if you found this helpful. So here's my gift to you. I made a quick demo where we serve a simple HTML file, first without Docker, then with Docker, all in just 2 minutes. The link's in the description, or you can grab it right from my channel.